Hey everybody, Jim King back out here in Kansas City, Missouri. This is what we got as a stone foundation renovation. We're going to totally restore this entire basement. It's going to be absolutely gorgeous, like the Taj Mahal when we're done. This includes all this out here. Come on down, follow me. These are all stone walls that's been mortared in the past. We're going to wire brush everything, get all the loose debris off the walls, and come in with some fresh high strength King Pier's mortar. Mortar all the walls. We're going to let that set, and then we will be painting those with bare waterproofing paint. Really brightens up the room. And then last but not least, after we install some new footings and vertical support beams, we're going to come in here and remove the floor and bring in some 3/4 inch clean gravel, some plastic, and then 4 inches of high strength concrete floor. For all your foundation repair needs, I feel like we are absolutely, bar none, the best at what we do. Give us a call. Estimates are free. 816-521-8915, or you can go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.